Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Thursday 24th of March, and it's pretty amazing what Bitcoin is doing. I've talked about this previously in the videos as well, and if you guys want to learn technical analysis, there's a course for you. The link is in the description of the video. Join it and join the Discord as well, guys. All right, so here we are, and I'm not gonna actually talk too much in detail today about Bitcoin because I've already spoken about it in the previous videos and what my thoughts on it. Because if you didn't watch yesterday's video, watch yesterday's video on how I think March is really super important now, guys. The only thing that I would just want to point out is that Bitcoin is on the verge of a bull cross. Okay, as I spoke yesterday. And right now, on the 4 hour time frame, you have one bottom, second bottom. You came down, went up, came down, went up, making the middle finger right there. And then you came down, got rejected. Finally, you broke out, came for the retest. And look, you're holding the retest like a boss to continue to the upside. So, what's the technical target once again? This takes you from the top here to nearly that bottom. And this is where you're breaking out. And look, this is where you're going to put yourself on a journey to go to the 47,523 potentially by the end of this month, okay, near the end of the month. So you are looking to go there. And one more thing is that you have the bull cross as well, and that bull cross is looking to take you there. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to dive into the daily time frame here. And now let's look what the daily time frame is looking like. And now let's turn on the EMAs. Actually, I'm going to do this on a separate chart so that we can see clearly. All right, turn on the EMAs right there, guys. And this is what the chart that I was talking about yesterday. And guys, just look at this. You are absolutely about to take off with Bitcoin. Just look at this cross. Beautiful. One half of the work is done. The only work that is left is the 20 and the 55 to cross. Holy moly, damn it, man. You're looking to go like crazy, super, like a crazy bull who's released after a very long time, or a crazy prisoner who has been released out of jail after a long time. So, guys, that's it. The wrap it up, bears. Okay, F the bears. And I think it's time for Bitcoin to actually resume the uptrend, because we were never in a bear market, guys. This is still a bull run. Okay, and if things go really swiftly good, you are going to see Bitcoin topping out until $270,000 as your top there. Okay, and that's it for this update, guys. Very quick one. Hope you enjoyed this, and do check the course out, join the Discord, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.